All right, y'all. We got another one of them taste tests today. And today's taste test is going to be from my dear good friend who makes meal preps. And this week's meal prep just happened to be a turkey meatloaf casserole. Ba-boom. With green beans. I said, what makes a turkey meatloaf a casserole? And I had to go look that up. I had to Google search that. But here it is. Green beans, mashed potatoes with cheese on top, cheese grommet, and that turkey meatloaf underneath. Oh, gotta give it that Blake Smith test. Smells delish. But I'm gonna taste these potatoes right here first. All right. Taste them potatoes. Those are all good. Let me go ahead. Give me some of these green beans. Ooh, those are nice and fresh and crisp. Oh, those are so good. Now let me get in some of this meatloaf. Don't let your meatloaf. That turkey meatloaf. She prepares dishes that are more on the healthier side. Instead of ground beef, she uses the turkey. Oh, that is delicious. Get some more of these mashed potatoes in there. That cheese. Another bite of them green beans. And one more bite of that turkey meatloaf. That is most definitely thumbs up. Thumbs up, up, up. So, I know that Janine makes meal preps. And I also know that her mom is a wonderful baker. Last year she made a peach cobbler pound cake for me. So I said, since she bakes, and I saw a video on a key lime pie pound cake, I said, yeah, I wonder if her mom can make that. So I just said something, like, hey, can your mom do this? Well, guess what? Her mom can do that. So I got some key lime pie pound cake to go with my turkey casserole. So we're going to try this. It definitely has that key lime pie pound cake aroma to it. That Blake Smith test is all good. And just so we can see, got that key lime icing on it, and it's green. I was going to eat it with my fork, but nah. I got to swallow everything in my mouth first. Got to down these green beans. I got to chew it all up. Got to chew it real good. I chewed it real good. Now I'm swallowing. All right. Ooh, that smells so good. Here we go. A bite of that key lime pie pound cake. Oh. Oh, that is delicious. Oh my goodness. That is super delicious. Oh my goodness, yes. All right. So, you guys let me know what you think about this taste test. And next week, I will be providing Janine's website. So if anybody wants to order, you can order from Janine. You can get some of her meal preps. Help out a business owner. All right. All right. So the turkey meatloaf casserole and the key lime pie pound cake, all thumbs up. 100% thumbs up. We're gonna give it 2 thumbs up. And that's all good right there. All right, y'all. Y'all take it easy. Bye-bye.